Now, the first phase of voting for 40 traditional stronghold in Seraikela, Soren has won this seat 6 times since 1991, only facing defeat in 2000. But this time he faces a direct battle with Ganesh Mahali of the JMM, who was previously the BJP candidate. So interestingly, both contenders have switched sides. Both the NDA and the India bloc are pulling out. Polling in the remaining 38 constituencies of Jharkhand will be held on November 20th.
What are the issues this time? क्या कुछ मुद्दे हैं जो इस बार जनता वोट देगी झारखंड में?
मुद्दा युवाओं को रोजगार और हमने संकल्प लिया, इसीलिए गोगो दीदी से 2100 रुपया हर महीने 11 तारीख को उसके खाते में। रांची में 1 लाख बांग्लादेशी मुसलमान आकर यहाँ ठहर गए। पिछले 5 सालों में इनको पूरी तरह संरक्षण दिया गया। क्या हो 23 नंबर से इनका उल्टी गिनती शुरू और सीमा से बाहर।
Tirshi Purandare, who has been covering this for us, joins me live. Tirshi, good morning. Given the fact that, this battle looks interesting, more interestingly because in the run-up to this, we've looked at the campaigns, the attacks, the counter.
Well, yes, absolutely. The Battle of Jharkhand is very much interesting as far as if we compare it to the past time elections that took place in the Jharkhand itself. However, if we talk about the last time, then JMM was managed to get 30 seats, and then we've gone to the BJP, and then we'll have to see that what happens next. Will this political shifting be affecting the voters of the Jharkhand? Apart from that, there have been number of issues on which Jharkhand is fighting on which the elections of Jharkhand are dependent. Number one, if we talk about, that is the tribal votes. Number two, next comes about the development. Despite keeping in mind the fact that Jharkhand has been the epicenter of minerals, ores and mining as well. But despite all these facts, despite being an industrial area, despite being factories opened over here, still this area remains to be under the BJP, who has been attacking JMM for being biased towards the tribals. And in fact, they also have said that if JMM comes to power, then the infiltrators will be given more value than the tribals, is what the BJP has to say. On the other hand, JMM says that they are the core counter-attacks taking place. Infiltrators issue is main important issue. The tribal belt is important. Women voters are important. BJP has released Gogo Didi Yojana. JMM has released Maiya Samman Yojana. And in fact, here the voters are also here. Let us speak to few women voters over here who have gathered to just cast their vote at वहाँ ये सब देखेंगे आप?
महिलाओं के लिए मैया सम्मान योजना मिला है, वृद्धा पेंशन मिला है।
Okay. So yes, women are aware, and in fact, they are also mentioning that they have got the amount of Maiya Samman Yojana. But yes, it was just before of the election. So yes, we'll have to see that what happens next.
That's with the latest, telling us politically speaking how that's panning out. But more importantly, for getting a voter voice to draw things into perspective, we'll keep coming to you through the day. But for the moment, we'll leave the conversation.